Why does sneezing feel good? Sneezing usually feels good because it causes your body to release chemicals called endorphins. These react with the receptors in your brain and trigger a positive feeling in your body. What causes one to sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way to get rid of a foreign particle that has entered your nose. If the lining of your nose is irritated by something, a message is sent to your brain regarding the same, and this prompts you to sneeze. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.